Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today I've just bought this product and I want to do the unboxing for this product. So if happens, if you're interested, so this is it. I'm gonna break down everything about it. So it's called I don't know how to pronounce it, Relx or Relx essential 1+1 kit. Okay, vape, this is vape. So I just bought, and this price, this is actually price 55 ringgit Malaysia. I bought at MX store. You see this? Yeah, see this 55 ringgit. Okay, 14 is the small pot. Later I do another video for it. So 55 ringgit. Okay, so this is the box. Let's unboxing it. So this is the front. Okay, front look. That's a brand. Okay, 3% face. It comes with a dark sparkle pot on the side. Okay, is it one device? Okay, all right, it's black behind. Authentication code. Okay, below. Okay, that's it. Now let's unboxing. Okay, first you have this. Wait. 7-day challenge. Scan the QR code. Scan QR code website. Okay. First. The secret recipe of Relx. Okay, I'm going to do like this, so you can pause and you can read. Okay. Then behind. How to use. To tell you frankly, I never used before. I saw my friend use it, so I just interested to buy this. So this is actually my first time. I don't read yet the manual also. Okay. This is important. in use regularly, smart, slowly charging what, and slowly reject constant what I see. Okay. User agreement. Oh, that's number one. Previously number one. This is number two. Okay. Okay. If you're interested to read, you can pause and read. Okay. Behind. Right. Okay. I like to document like all the manuals in case if someone if you lost it, then you have this video to for reference. Okay, number two settle. Okay, number one, number two. Okay. This is device. Oh, there's a code there. Here? No. Okay. Type C. 5 volt 670. Okay. And then the pot come together with it. Okay. That's okay. Oh my god, out of it. Okay. Oh, okay. The pot. And okay, are we supposed to open it? Yeah. Okay. Okay. And lastly, Type C charge. Okay, so all three this product and the manual. Okay, I want to try. Let's I have this power bank here, and let's try to charge it. Can we? Oh, okay. This is what like that charging, blinking. I see. Okay, it's good. All right, so that's it for the unboxing. And if you like the product, I think you can Google it and find many stores that sell this online. But I bought this in at Mix store in Malaysia. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.